What should you be looking for in a garden tractor? Countax is Britain's best-selling range, outselling the nearest rival by 2 to 1, for very good reasons. Countax tractors are renowned for their ability to cut and collect, even in the wet, without clogging. You have in one machine a fine lawnmower and a powerful rough cutter. You can choose the mulching options or create a classic striped lawn with the powered grass collector. There is a wide range to choose from. The best-selling Countax C Series, the larger A Series, the K and D Series, and the new X Series Ride-On. But what if you have grounds and a garden with more demanding conditions? Slopes, grass banks, damp, slippery areas. Now there is also a new Countax C Series garden tractor with revolutionary four-wheel drive, which offers you even greater flexibility. Featuring Countax 4-track technology and transmission design, it gives you much greater mowing flexibility, letting you cut grass and weeds in areas where no other garden tractor can go. It's a clever system that varies the speeds of the front wheels on turning. Coupled with hydrostatic transmission, you have complete control. Combined with even weight distribution, you have total stability, but that is only part of the story. The dynamic traction control that keeps the tractor working through slippery conditions also prevents scuffing of the grass on a formal lawn. The outside wheel moves faster than the inside to compensate for the turn, so no slipping for a classic striped finish, and no skidding in rough, wet or difficult terrain. Countax four-wheel drive tractors offer you complete versatility with a choice of cutting decks. Here you can see the high-grass mulching deck at work on the four-wheel drive tractor. With this you can tackle steep banks or large areas of the tallest nettles, dense weeds and rough grass, dramatically cutting down the time you would spend clearing the nettles and other tough weeds with a brush cutter. Mulching is also the answer when you want fast, collection-free mowing in less challenging areas, the orchard or paddock for example, or even for large areas of lawn. Mulching is quicker and helps to protect the grass and fertilise it. When you have a test drive of a Countax garden tractor, you will immediately see what makes Countax Britain's best-selling range. Along with the ability to cut in wet or dry conditions, we have built-in features not found on other garden tractors. The operating management system displayed on the dashboard is designed to help you get the best performance from your Countax. Optimum speed and RPM setting for appropriate cutting speeds, fault-finding diagnostics, low fuel warning, hours of work and service intervals are all displayed. On the four-wheel drive, there's an electronic slope alert to warn you before reaching an incline too great for safe mowing. You can have electric lift for the cutter deck for ease of use, and the option of electric emptying of the powered grass collector. You can run powered accessories from the tractor's power takeoff, such as the powered scarifier. There is a whole range of towed and tractor-mounted accessories for lawn and garden care. Ask for a free test drive of a Countax garden tractor or X Series Ride-On and discover all the versatility, power and performance that Countax has to offer.